Alright, so today we're working on the Kandi, and notice something. So if you look down here and you have a Kandi, you're probably going to look and notice the axle. So I had a hub, when I got this cart, I had a hub issue where it was loose, and it basically stripped the splines on the factory axle. And so I found on eBay Kandi USA sells axles, and I thought, well, that's the manufacturer, you know, I feel safer going through there. Well, long story short, they sent me the wrong axle and would not issue me a credit on it. After that whole debacle, I decided I'm just going to put a 1-inch axle on here, and so that's what I did. And what you'll see here is the easy part about this is the 1-inch axle bearing flanges fit right on the factory holes. So at first I just ran the axle with 2 bearings on the end, and I went with a hardened steel axle, and I thought, you know, I was going to eventually add these braces on the side, but we did some little test rides because I didn't have the bearings run, and long story short, I ended up bending one of these hardened steel axles. So they warrantied it, luckily for me, BMI did. And when I got the new one, I added these hangers, and it's probably been about a year now, and I haven't had a problem with this axle since. Well, now today looking, if you look here at my sprocket, the only option I had for a sprocket was aluminum one, and it's these split hubs. And I am very anti these style hubs anymore because I've always ran into problems. One, you have to keep these bolts loose, then tighten this to pull the hub in, then tighten your sprocket bolts. You can see here that it basically worked itself loose somehow. I don't know if the aluminum stretched and then trashed my axle. So the keyway spot in the axle here has slop in it, so I don't want to just replace this hub and then have the same issue. So what I'm going to do is I picked up another axle. I'm going to go ahead and swap the axle, and I'm going to change this hub style to try to find something different that'll work a little better. Alright, so here's what I'm working with here. I found this hub locally. It's a steel hub. It's not split, which is what I think was causing our problems. It was aluminum and a split hub, and then it just stripped out. The problem I'm having is the holes do not match up. So I'm going to try to drill this out and get it as centered as I possibly can. And see what happens. I'm just gonna weld this thing on there. I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm trying to be running tomorrow, so. We're calling that good. There's nothing. Alright, we're just going to check and make sure there's no crazy wobbles. I don't see anything. Alright, we're just going to check side to side now. I think we're good. Alright, so here's what we're looking at. This is what I came up with. It's not the prettiest thing you ever see, but hopefully it holds. I welded the heck out of it. Here's the other side. You can see the welds. So it seems to be straight. I'm hoping it's strong. This is kind of like a, hey, use what I got. Let's weld something so we can ride. I got to get this thing running today because people will be coming over here in a couple hours. So let's get at it. Here's our little makeshift sprocket. I put some paint on it. I didn't clean it up, like sand it and any of that, so it's not perfect, but for a quick little fix trying to get running today, I think it turned out all right.